Hello my dear students, good morning to all. In previous class we have studied what? Let us practice 8.1. I hope that you have completed that all the example. Only 3 examples I have given then and for I think that do you remember also? Now today we will study what? Third. At first third, after that fourth and like that we will study. Third means what? Third, T-H-I-R-D. T-H-I-R-D. Yes, thirds means 1 by third. Okay. Rahul divided a chocolate into 3 equal parts. How many equal parts? That Rahul divided a chocolate into 3 equal parts. Each part is called a third. For example, this diagram is given. Means in this circle, there are total 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are there. Among that 3 parts, 1 part is shaded. So the fraction will be 1 by 3. 1, 2, 3. Write that 3 down. And among that 3, 1 part is shaded. 1 by 3. Or we can write in word 1/3 of a whole. This is complete diagram of a whole. Understood? Now in second diagram, how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3. So out of 3, 2 parts are shaded. So the required fraction will be 2/3 or 2 by 3. We can write 2 by 3 or 2/3 of a whole. Understood? Now in this diagram, in this circle, how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3. That 3 you have to write down. And from that 3, all the 3 parts are shaded. 1, 2, 3. Now 3 by 3. And 3 by 3 means always becomes 1. 3 by 3 equal to 1. If we are solving 3 table, we are getting 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So final answer we will get 1. Or we can say that 1 or whole, complete. Understood? Now this is the collection of apples. Collection of apples. How many apples were there? 1, 2, 3. So write that 3 down. Among that 3 apples, how many apples were shaded? Only 1. So the required fraction will be 1 by third. 1 by 3 of a collection or 1 by third of a collection we can say there. So understood how to write the fraction. So note down this one. Now we will study fourth. F-O-U-R-T-H-S. Okay. Now Rahul divides a chocolate into 4 equal parts, which are called 4. How many equal parts? Look at 1, 2, 3, 4. So write that 4 down in denominator. Among that 4, how many parts were shaded? 1. 1 part is shaded. So 1 by 4. Or we can say that 1/4. F-O-U-R-T-H. You have to write there. F-O-U-R-T-H. Don't write 4. 1/4. Wrong. Now among this 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. How many parts shaded? 2. So 2 by 4. Or 2, 4. If we are solving 2, 4, we are getting 1 by lowest term, 1 by 2 only. Okay. Or let it be 2, 4. Now here, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4, how many parts were shaded? 3. So the fraction will be 3 by 4 or 3/4. Understood? Now here 1, 2, 3, 4. That 4, from 4 equal parts, all the parts were shaded. So 4 by 4. And 4 by 4 makes what? 1 whole. 4 by 4 or 1 whole. Understood? Now here how many apples? 1, 2, 3, 4. So collection of apple 4. So write 4. Among that 4 apples, how many apples were shaded? 1. So the fraction will be 1 by 4 of a collection. Understood? This one 4. So note down this one. Now example looked at. Here how many equal parts are there? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Write that 4 down, and among that 4 how many parts were shaded? 3. So the required fraction will be 3 by 4. Fraction for shaded part is 3 by 4. In the same way we can write as fraction for unshaded part also. How many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 write down. Unshaded part is 1. So 1 by 4. So this 3 by 4 is fraction for shaded part and 1 by 4 is the fraction for unshaded part. We can write in both ways, shaded as well as unshaded. 3, 4, third. Okay, and 1 by 4 means 1/4. In the same way here, collection of triangle. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Among that 5 triangle, how many triangles are shaded? 2. So the required fraction will be 2 by 5. Okay, and from that 5 unshaded diagrams, how many? 1, 2, 3. So 3 by 5. Fraction for shaded part of a collection is 2 by 5 or 2/5. And fraction for unshaded part of a collection is 3 by 5. Understood? 3/5. So note down this one.